Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to reload or add money to your Thomas Cook Forex card. First, open your web browser and search Reload Thomas Cook Forex card. Click the official website link from the search results. Once on the page, you'll see a simple interface. Enter your Thomas Cook Forex card details and the amount you want to add. Make sure your payment information is ready to complete the transaction. After submitting, your card will be reloaded instantly or within a few minutes, depending on your bank. You can now use it for travel, shopping, or any foreign transaction safely. Reloading your card online is easy, quick, and hassle-free. No need to visit a branch or carry cash. And that's it. That's how to reload or add money to your Thomas Cook Forex card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.